In this video, I want to go over editing settings for Jetpack. Zoom in a little bit. Yeah, I noticed some combination of Windows Magnifier and OBS. It's like double mousing. You have the original mouse at the original resolution, and then the zoomed in mouse. Anyway, so here's the where you copy the Jetpack folder, and I put all the you can do Notepad++. So things that I put everything that the user would want to change right up in this little section. If you wanted to rebind keys, I mean, kind of the intent of this particular mod, this Jetpack, it's kind of meant to coexist with gameplay. So I don't know why you would want to change these keys, but you can. It's right there. And if you want to change them, this link right here, just open up this. It tells you every single key and what the corresponding code is. Likely the thing that people will want to change most is they'll want to have an infinite fuel tank, right? So if you wanted to do that, you would you could just change this to 999 and then set your recovery rate to something insane like 12 or something, so that basically as soon as you let off the thruster with a recovery rate of 12, you gain 12 seconds of fuel for every 1 second of non-burning. So you're essentially infinite burn rate. So let me pause the video here and I'll show you how to do it while playing so you can test your settings in real time. Okay, so I'm in game. You hit the tilde key and this comes up. And again, sorry these error messages. These I can't figure out how to anyway, if somebody knows. So clear output. Okay, so let me pull up my setting and make sure we're good. Okay, so let's say I wanted to have, well, I guess before I start, there's my 4 seconds of boost and it's charging back up. Let's say I want infinite fuel tank. Oops. Come back here. We'll set the max. We'll just set that to 999. Recovery rate to 12. Careful about fractions. It requires a 0 dot. You can't just say .3. It would have to be, I don't know if you can see that. I'm not going to use Windows Magnifier well. Anyway, so I do that. Control S to save. Come back here, hit my tilde key, and all you have to do is hit this reload all mods. Boom, reloaded. Now, when I jump, I have essentially infinite boost. I can stay in this boost mode forever, which makes the lack of mouse look really apparent. I'll fix that eventually. Sorry. So that's how you would get infinite boost. I would recommend before you start trying to ramp up accelerations, give yourself boost first, because otherwise you can make things uncontrollable. Well, let's say the next thing people are probably going to want to do is really kick up the acceleration. So you have standard, so just the act of holding the key down is standard. If you want to do dash, that's where you tap the key, let up, and then hold down. So that's your dash mode. So let's give our horizontal dash something insane, 12. Come back here. I saved tilde key, reload all mods. There. Now I'll go into jetpack mode and dash forward. Maybe. Try that again. There we go. Now we're I'm going to do standard. It's too hard to control with dash. So we'll do 12. 12 for standard. Horizontal. So I separated out horizontal versus vertical. Vertical being holding in the spacebar. Be careful about going too aggressive with your vertical. Play with it, have fun, but keep in mind what goes up, you have to wait for it to come down. And you could ramp up or ramp down gravity if you wanted, but things will get uncontrollable pretty quick. So save that. Yeah, now we're, and currently I'm not limiting top speed at all, so you could go about as fast as you wanted to. See how fast? Boom. Okay. So however fast that was, that's where the game says nope, too much. And that's probably machine dependent. But anyway, so yeah, that's how you would play with the values. I can't think of anything else off the top of my head. Okay, so that's the video.